Right, look at it. Yeah, she making some Pana shooting crow.
कंचन वरण विराज सुबेशा काजल कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ बजा विराजे कांधे मूज जने भूषाजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जलावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सहारे लाए सजीवन लखन जियाई श्री रघुवीर हर शिवर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि समाई सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंचन गावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नादर सारज सहित सहीसा यम तो वेद दिगपाल जहाते कभी को भी सही सके कहाँ पे तुम उपकार सुग्रीव कीना राम मिलाए राज बरहीना तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु लीलोधारी फल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मेरे मुख माही जल लागे गई अचल जनाई दुर्गम काज जगत के जेत सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे देते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे सब सुख रहे तुम्हारी सरना तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज समारो आपे तीनों लोक हाथ पे कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ज्ञान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन पल पावे चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा हे परसेज जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे वश से निधि के दाता असबर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सरार हो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंतकाल रघुबर पुर जाय चाह जन्म और देवता चित्त गदहि हनुमत से सब सुख करनी संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नारी जो सतबार पाठ कर कोई छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई जो यहाँ पर हनुमान चालीसा होए सारी गोरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा की जनाथ हृदय महरेरा जनाथ हृदय महरेरा पवन तनय संकट हरणं मंगलमूर्ति राम लखन सीता हृदय बसहु सुधा
वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. Let us all clasp our hands together as we are about to begin our Antyeshti Samskar this morning. We turn our thoughts to Bhagavan Vishnu, Sri Krishna. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. He Ram, He Ram, He Ram. Bhagavan हमें दया करो. शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगीविर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु मूकं करोति वाचालं भङ्गुलं गयति गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् हरे राम 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे ओ हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे everybody हरे राम 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे ओ हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे ओ हरे राम 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 हरे हरे ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। You all touch his hands. Members of the bereaved family, friends and neighbors, villagers, and all those who are here this morning, and those who are also viewing on the live stream. This morning we have all gathered here at this home to be part of the Antyeshti Samskar, Antyeshti, the after death ceremonies for the deceased Haral, Dilraj, Rambaran. At this point in time, we commence the ceremony with Sankalp, and sons and grandsons, they take the Sankalp to perform these rites. Sankalp is a declaration that you are making, a promise, right? That you are going to perform all the rites that begins today and will go on for 1 year. There is nothing more noble or as great as for a son, grandsons, sons in particular, to perform the rites of their parents. When a son performs the rites of the parents, they have repaid their debt that they owe to their parents. So this is not any favor, but this is a responsibility and a privilege that you will be able to do the Antishti Samskar for your father and grandfather. Hari Om Vishnor Vishnor Vishnoho Adya Shri Brahmano Dvitaye Paradhe Shri Svetavara Kalpe Vaivasmanvantare Ashtavinshati Tame Kaliyuge Kari Pratham Charane Trinida Deshe Klakstanbe Grame Shri Shravanamase Shukla Pakshe द्वादशी तिथि मूल नक्षत्र वैद्रीति योगा भवकरण मंगलवासरे कर्क राशि शिते सूर्य अमुक राशि शिते शशांकी च शशिषु ग्रहेषु यत यत राशि स्थान सतेषु अमुक गोत्रस्य five of you call your names अमुक नाम father's name Dilraj Rambaran Pretasya Antishti-karam Aham Karishi. This everything hai. Give him the water. This body that lies in front of us is being prepared for cremation. Sprinkle the water from right there on the body, which is the ceremonial bath. Sprinkle. अद्यामुख गोत्रस्य दिलराज रामबरन प्रेतस्य मृत्स्थाने शौनिमितं स्नानं मया दीयते तवोपतिष्ठताम्. Shri Krishna Govinda Hari Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hari Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva अद्यामुख गोत्रस्य दिलराज रामबरन प्रेतस्य मृत्स्थाने शौनिमितं श्रीगंधं मया दीयते तवोपतिष्ठतां गंधं मया दीयते तवोपतिष्ठताम्. अद्यामुख गोत्रस्य take the perfume now, spray on the body. Dilraj Rambaran Pretasya Shri Gandham Maya Diyati Tavopatishtatam. Harihi Om Tat Sat Gandham Maya Diyati Tavopatishtatam. Use it all. श्रीगंधं मया दीयते तवोपतिष्ठताम्. अद्यामुख गोत्रस्य दिलराज रामबरन प्रेतस्य मृत्स्थाने शौनिमितं पुष्पमाला मया दीयते तवोपतिष्ठताम् हरिः ओम् That's how you take the mala. One each. अद्याम गोत्रस्य दिलराज रामबड़ान प्रेतस्य मृत्स्नाने पुष्पमाला मया दीयते तवोपतिष्ठताम् श्रीगंधम मया दीयते पुष्पमाला मया दीयते तवोपतिष्ठताम् हरिः ओम् तत्सत् We all join in the arati. Those who could stand, we ask you to stand. If you can't, you remain seated. Jai Krishna Hare Shri Krishna Hare Dukhiyon ko dukh dur kare. Jai 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 Krishna Hare जब चार तरफ अंधियारा हो आशा का दूर किनारा हो जब चार तरफ अंधियारा हो आशा का दूर किनारा हो फिर तो ही न केवल आरा हो फिर तो ही बेरा पार करो जय 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 कृष्ण हरि जय कृष्ण हरि श्री कृष्ण हरि दुखियों को दुख दूर करे जय 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 कृष्ण हरि तू चाहे तो सब कुछ कर दे विष को भी अमृत कर दे तू चाहे तो सब कुछ कर दे विष को भी अमृत कर दे पूरन कर दे सबकी आशा पूरन कर दे सबकी आशा जो भी तेरा ध्यान धरे जो भी तेरा ध्यान धरे जय 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 कृष्ण हरि जय कृष्ण हरि श्री कृष्ण हरि दुखियों को दुख दूर करे जय 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 कृष्ण हरि जय 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 कृष्ण हरि श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की your baby seated. While the ceremony continues, we will have bhajans being sung while we continue to do the rites and the rituals. Those who would like to sing, you will have to come forward if you want to sing. Shanif is already first in line. Bhajans for occasions like this should be for Lord Krishna, Shri Ram, Lord Vishnu. This is not a time for Ganesh and Devi, and this is a different type of ceremony. So when we sing these bhajans, yes, one God, but the purpose is dedicated to Sri Vishnu, Sri Krishna. Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki.
Namaste, each and everyone. Pandit Ji, may I wish you the peace and blessings of the Almighty be showered upon you, since I have known you from childhood. Today I want to extend my condolences to the bereaved family. My dear brother who is in front of me here today, he's the oldest person who's lying here, and each and all of us here is standing. Right? So today, I want to do a Ram Bhajan for my dear brother, that maybe his shadow will lead to his soul, and may the Lord bless him in his everlasting life. सूखे के सब साथी दुख में न खोए, सुख के सब साथी दुख में न कोई। मेरे राम तेरा नाम एक सजा दूजा न होए, सुख के सब साथी दुख में न होए। जीवन आने जाने छाया, जीवन आने जाने छाया, झूठी काया झूठी माया, फिर क्या होगा सारी उमरिया, फिर क्या होगा सारी उमरिया, पापी गतरी डोई, सुख के सब साथी दुख में न होए। ना कुछ मेरा ना कुछ तेरा, ना कुछ मेरा ना कुछ तेरा, यो जोगी दीवाला फेरा, राजा हो या रंक सभी का, राजा हो या रंक सभी का, अंत एक होए, सुख के सब साथी दुख में न होए। जीवन आने जाने छाया, बाहर की तो माटी पाके, मन को भीतर क्यों ना जागे, उजले तन पर मान किया, मान की यार मन की महल न डोए, सुख के सब साथी दुख में न होए। मेरे राम तेरा नाम एक सच्चा तू जाना होए। सुख के सब साथी दुख में न होए।
मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम, ले लो राम। मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम। लोचन मन में जगे न हो तो, लोचन मन में जगे न हो तो, युगल चरण में ले लो राम, ले लो राम। मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम। जीवन देखे जाल बिछाया, रचती माया नाचन छाया। चिंता मेरी तभी मिटेगी, चिंता मेरी तभी मिटेगी, जब चिंतन में ले लो राम, ले लो राम। मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम। तुमने लाखों पापी तारी, मेरी बारी बाजी हारी। मेरे पास न पुण्य की पूंजी, मेरे पास न पुण्य की पूंजी, पर पूजन में ले लो राम, ले लो राम। मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम। राम हे राम, राम हे राम। घरि घरि अतकू धर धर बतकू, कहा कहा अपना सिर पतकू। इस जीवन में मिलो न तुम हो राम, इस जीवन में मिलो न तुम तो, मुझे मरण में ले लो राम, ले लो राम। मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम। लोचन मन में जगे न हो तो, युगल चरण में ले लो राम, ले लो राम। मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम। Those of you who like to come forward to offer the flower. or maybe the RC, whichever one, or both. You can come up after these people closest to me are finished. ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया. Everybody sing. ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया. एक पिता की हम सब लड़के, धरती हमारी माता, कुटुम कबीला संगन साथी, काला डंका बजाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया, ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया. दो दिन का पहुनाय जगत में, माया में बरमाया, धन दौलत कुछ काम न आवे, छूता जाए यह काया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया, ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया. सत्संग का गंगा बही है, कोमल जिसकी धारा, करिया स्नान विमल कर काया, पापी न पार कराया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया, ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया साधु, ज्योति जन्म गवाया.
राम रमेति रामेति, राम राम तमे सहस्रनाम ततुल्यं, राम नाम वरानने. राम राम भजु राम राम भजु राम राम भजु राम राम सिया राम भजले राम राम सिया राम, भजु राम राम सिया राम, भजु राम राम सिया राम. धर्म काज पृथ्वी पर आए, दशरथ जी के पूषक आए, दशरथ जी के पूषक आए. जनकपुरी में शिवरन तोरा, सती सिया संग नाता जोरा, सती सिया संग नाता जोरा. सिया पिया बन राम प्रभु कहलाए सीताराम, भजु राम राम सिया राम, भजु राम राम सिया राम. राम राम भजु राम राम भजु राम राम भजु राम 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 सिया राम भजरे राम राम सिया राम भजु राम राम सिया राम भजु राम राम सिया राम असुरों को संहार दान पर सिया सहित चारे लंका पर सिया सहित चारे लंका पर अभिमानी रावण को मारा सीता को संकट से उबारा सीता को संकट से उबारा राम राज हो गया देश में गुण गाए हनुमान भजु राम राम सिया राम भजु राम राम सिया राम भजु 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 राम राम से बड़ा राम का नाम राम से बड़ा राम का नाम राम से बड़ा राम का नाम
All right, so, okay, those who want to come forward to offer a flower, you can do so in the next few minutes. If you would like to come forward, do so now. At the end, we will have a few minutes as well. Those who just like to view, you can view at the end as well. We continue to sing bhajans appropriate for this occasion. इतना तो करना स्वामी जब प्राण तन से निकले everybody इतना तो करना स्वामी जब प्राण तन से निकले गोविंद नाम लेकर फिर प्राण तन से निकले गोविंद नाम लेकर फिर प्राण तन से निकले श्री गंगा जी का तट हो वा जमुना जी का तट हो मेरा सावला लिखत हो जब प्राण तन से निकले इतना तू करना स्वामी जब प्राण तन से निकले श्री बिंद्रावन कथल हो मेरे मुख में तुलसी दल हो विष्णु चरण कजल हो जब प्राण तन से निकले इतना तू करना स्वामी जब प्राण तन से निकले जब प्राण कंठ में आवे कोई रोग ना सतावे यम त्रासना दिखावे जब प्राण तन सनिकले इतना तू करना स्वामी जब प्राण तन सनिकले श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा everybody join श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की That is never easy. No, do you have to stop? I don't have to go ahead.
Quiet, please. Okay. One more.
That is never easy when the home or the family where you have lost a loved one. What comfort can be given to the family in these circumstances that will relieve them of their pain or their grief that they feel? In fact, as much as we can say by words will not really change much or remove, alleviate the pain and distress of the family that have lost the father, husband of the home. But we must take refuge in the words of Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita. And not only the Bhagavad Gita, but every scripture says the same in a different way. Chapter 2 of the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna says to Arjuna, "Na jayate mriyate va kadachinayam bhutva bhavita va na bhuya ajo nitya shashvato aham purano na hanyate hanyamane sharire." In the chapter 2, verse 20 of the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, the soul is not born and the soul will not die. And that was rests in our minds, resonates in our minds. The soul is not born and the soul will not die. What is in front of us today is just a body. And we all understand this by our words. Just about 8:30, when the hearse would have come here by the house, somebody would have said, "Look, the body came, or the body reached, or the body is here." So from the time you drop the body, you lose identity, but even the name, and the name that you carried for your whole life, even no one else apart from in the rituals is referring to you by the name. Nobody will say, "Carol, come," or whatever name you know him by, you are now referred to as the body. Because this is the reality of life. This body is made up of 5 elements, as we hear from time to time, and the elements don't die. The elements disintegrate, they find their places of origin. The water, the earth will all return to where they have come from. But this body will not be seen after today. So the reality of life, there's the soul and there's the body. What is the use of this body to any one of us? Absolutely no use. As much as it pains you to have to go and cremate this body, even if you decide to keep it, it will give you no happiness, no pleasure, no joy. It will give you the same amount of pain. So this is the body without the soul. Think of a vehicle without an engine. And the body is the vehicle, and the life force, which is the soul, has left the body. Has not died, but has left the body. So this is what Sri Krishna says in the Gita when he says, the soul is not born, and so the soul will not die. But he goes on in another verse, and he says, Vyasamsi jirnani yata vihaya navani grahanati naro parani. Just as one sheds clothes that becomes old and gives up the clothes, gets rid of it, so too the soul gets rid of the body. So karma has caused us to take birth into the world. Karma causes you to take a birth, a body. Where we are born, under the circumstances, the family, everything is already determined by Bhagavan. And this is why we say from time to time, Tere karma kahani, Tere atma bhijani, Paramatma bhijani, Paramatma bhijani. Tere karma kahani, Tere atma bhijani, Paramatma bhijani, Paramatma bhijani. Kahe chute jare prani, prani re, prani re. Kahe chuta jare prani, Paramatma bhijani, Paramatma bhijani. Tere karma kahani, Tere atma bhijani, Paramatma bhijani. In those few words, we hear the word Atma. Jeev Atma is the soul. And then we hear the word Param Atma, the super soul. Paramatma is Bhagavan. Paramatma is God. Bhagavan in the Bhagavad Gita, he says, I am that soul. Mame vamsho jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatana. I am the Jiva Atma, or the soul that exists in the body. Sanatana. It is Sanatan. It is eternal. It will last forever. So Sri Krishna, he makes the distinction between the body and the soul. If we think that we are this body, then we are thinking in ignorance. We are the life forces that exist in the body, that is called the Jivatma. And we sing the bhajan all the time. Jyoti Bindu Paramatma Se ये मेरी आत्मा अब चल. Jyoti Bindu, the Jyoti. Jyoti means light. The soul is the light in the body. So according to Hindu teachings, the soul separates from the body, and that is what we call death. This is, for many, this is an end, but we also understand that with this end, there's a new beginning, a next chapter. Because the soul, from the moment it left this body, it entered into a next body that we cannot see and we cannot interact with, and we could have no communication. So the soul, having not died, will live on. It is just you and I and everybody else will not know in which body, in which place, or at which time the soul of, Harald, not the soul of Harald, which is the soul, will take a body. We will not know. So when this body is cremated today, what would you keep in your mind? If you have to picture the soul, you could only picture it in a body. So this image is what will always remain with you. Whenever you think of him or you remember him according to the looks of the body. And that being so, this is a reality for every one of us. No one knows. Tere karama kahani. Kahani means a story. And karam is your actions. So life is like a story that is being unfolded. Tere atma bhi jani. Only God knows. We don't know what tomorrow holds for us, whether it is happiness or sorrow or even death. We don't know. Bhagavan knows. Now we have been born by that karma. Karma causes you to take birth in a family, in a place, in a situation, in circumstances that sometimes may be good or pleasurable, enjoyable, and sometimes the circumstances can be painful. That karma is based on what we have done in the past. But while we are reaping all of that, we are also creating new karmas. Every action you do, every thought, every word you say, you are creating new karmas for the future. So in one hand, life is destined. You have to reap what is destined for you. Hindu belief says when you are born, the Creator writes your destiny on your forehead. It is already written. But you continue to commit karmas for the future. And this is why we say, Ek din hami bhi jana hai, ek din hami bhi jana hai, jag chala jaat hai सारा इसी का काउनती का नाही एक दिन हमें भी जाना ही एक दिन हमें भी जाना ही. Do you know anybody who has been living forever? Do you know anybody who will live forever? Nobody will live forever. We are mortals. Our time on the earth will come to an end, and we will depart this world. The life of Harald has come to an end. He was born in 1947. He's about what, 77? Turned 78 already. On May last, he turned 78. So he have lived his life. And when you think about Harald, like many of you would have probably known him for your whole life, you think of a very simple, humble person down-to-earth person. Listen to the words, simple, humble, family-oriented, focus on his family, wife, children, build a house, look after them, do all you could do possible. And that is just part of him. Many would see him as a cultural activist. That's a good title, cultural activist. One whose genes is in culture, in Dharma. And everybody who knows him would know that he comes from this illustrious family, the Rambaran family. And I don't know if the children of the Rambaran family know the greatness of that name Rambaran and your father's name and the family that you came from. Yeah, they do. And the contribution they made, or he made, in this village, in this community. We must never forget people like Punya, as he was known by many, that's the name, that's the father of the deceased, who had given his whole life. Harald being the oldest, he's the oldest of all the children. 11 children, you know, in those days, we making plenty children. 11 children, 7 boys, 4 girls. And I know when the father died, he somewhat carried on with specific reference to the Ramlila. And for the many years we were able to carry on the Ramlila. He was the one doing all the bamboo props, the Ravan and all these things. And that must not go unnoticed. And while every evening the players and everybody will be in the ground, he and others will be at the house, and they will spend late hours preparing the Ravan and all the other things for the Ramlila. So this is why I say he was a cultural activist, was involved in Chautal singing a lot, involved in the Mandir, and so many other things I am sure many others could sing. You know, when a father dies in the Hindu tradition, the eldest in the family, especially if there's the eldest son, carries that responsibility. He becomes now like the father in the home. And the wife, the Bhauji, also becomes like the mother to the children and to the family. So we have lost someone who has made his contribution, and we must not focus on what we will say is a loss, but you must focus on the contribution that he made. Living for long is good, but what contribution, if any, have you made to society, to the community, to the village? You could live for long, and if you make no contribution, then what do you have for people to talk about when you die? What legacy will you leave behind? So the sons and grandsons and daughters and everybody else must know that you have to follow. We only follow good examples and good footsteps. And I think Harald would have been a good example. Notwithstanding, no man is perfect. Not you and not me. And not anybody on this earth is perfect. But taking everything into consideration, he would have lived a full life. I don't think he was sick for very long. Couple years, he had faced 2 years or so, some health challenges. The last conversation I had with him, you know, he was going through some grahas and so on, and he did some offerings, and he came in the temple and did the puja and all of this. And after that, whenever we spoke, we could only say how good he was feeling and could not thank me enough to tell him to do this and do that, and he was enjoying some better days until recent couple of weeks or so. It was all back to the inevitable, that which you can't escape. So may his soul attain oneness with Bhagavan Krishna as he has made his contribution. Let us not forget we have a contribution to make, right? He leaves, of course, his wife, Sybil, baby, and father of 8 children. 8? Alright. Oh, I have some names in inverted commas here. So some nicknames. No, I'm not imputing anything. I don't know anything more than you. I didn't see the inverted commas. So Mark is Keith, Trevor is Popsin. So they chose to put all these names. So I thought it was 4x2. I was now going to say he didn't fall short from Punya with 11, but it's already 4. So may God bless his soul. So I think I would have put everything in its context. If nobody has designated by the family. Right, so one person will speak.
Good morning to all. Panditji, blessings to you. First of all, I want to really thank God on behalf of all of us here. The reason for saying so, all of us here would have contributed towards Uncle Harold's life one way or the other, and he would have impacted our lives. And so with that being said, for those that come out the other nights and support the family, bringing stuff and all of these things, and rendering words of comfort and just spending this time, we do highly, sincerely appreciate your presence and all of the contribution that you have made. Panditji, let me just strengthen your message a little. You know, looking at it on the Hindu perspective, Panditji noted that the life keeps moving on, it never dies. It goes to another body and continues that journey. So one thing I want you all to know, this is a reason why we need to respect and love all mankind. For in the future, we do not know where this life is going to appear. And one of us will have the responsibility to communicate with people as long as we live in, all of us. Some will have children, and you do not know. Think about this. For the future coming, this life would exhibit the body of one of the young descendants. What would be your response in reaction to that of not knowing? That is why we have to live peaceably with all men, forgiving men their sins and all of these things, and trying to please God in the best of our ability based upon our teachings. And with that, I want to really, truly thank each and every one of you, my cousins, my uncle, sister, most of all. I want to share something. You know, we may live our whole lives, and from the early stages of our lives, we would live to please God, but we would want blessings right away. I want to note something that is very special to me with my uncle here. My uncle, as Panditji said, is a very staunch Hindu. I have converted to Christianity, and my uncle had never disrespected me in no way whatsoever. In his illnesses, he had called me several times to pray with him. And the day before he died, I was asked to come and pray with him, and he sat down, we spent at least an hour with him, and I explained certain things to him, and we discussed, and he listened very, very attentively, as though he was not sick. But deep down inside, I know something was definitely wrong. Nonetheless, what that have taught me is that my uncle had given me that respect, and he had given me the honor in his dying time to be a part of his life in respect to letting him hear about God. The end of it all, according to Pandiji, everything here we would believe in, but what will happen is there will come that time when every one of us will look for God in our own special way. So for the meanwhile, let's try our best of our ability to live good with everyone. Thank you all, everyone, for coming. Thanks for supporting the family. And please continue praying for us and joining in fellowship with us in whatever way is necessary. Thank you all. Have a blessed day.
Right, we have come to the end of the ceremony here at the home. Let us all clasp hands together. Most we could do in occasions like this is to pray for the soul. All that we say is good, but prayers that you offer is most important and more important than anything else that you do. Whatever language you pray in, whatever prayer you offer from your heart, that prayer will be with the soul. Sri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama. Everybody, Sri Rama Jaya 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 Rama. Mangala Bhavana Amangala Dravaho Sudasarata Ajirha Bihari. Shri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Shri Rama Jaya Binusata Sangha Vivikana Oi Rama Kripa Binu Suravana Soi. Bolo Shri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Sri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhuscha Sikha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Sri Vishnu Bhagavan Ki. Right, we'll have final viewing. Those who did not come and you want to come up, we'll be leaving in about 5 minutes time. We have a small stop by the house up the hill there. Then we proceed through Makale onto the highway, through Devi onto the Enturing Road to the cremation site for cremation. Thank you on behalf of the family.
And then they go in. Alright.
Oh, okay, alright, no problem.
Then
I go live.
Okay.
Right, but she will go live.
You come in from the side and just go back. So you have a quick flow.
Elika? Okay.
Everything went. Yeah. Don't worry about it.
Sorry. Yeah. Oh, you want me? I'll tell like.
Go some hand, hello.
Yeah.
Hold it steady.
Good morning. Everybody have a project this morning. I can't charge that, Jack. Brain, I can't charge that, Jack, for this. Travis, you have anything in the car to charge this? No? You have a car charger for this? Yeah. Gotta get one. I got charging it in the I got a charger to the van.
Yeah. Excuse? Yeah, I'm in blocking.
Good, okay? Hi. Quiet, there. Kim, hold this for my family. Let me see if I have a charger. I have.
She going to your charger? You get one?
I'm about to charge.
When you kind of straight, like you stop a little bit.
No, she doesn't understand.
Yeah. Good? Hi. Oh, they're at home already. I don't know if it's on. Together.
Everything will be there. Look around, there's that place.
Good. Can I come to you? Because it could be Roxanne, Susan, Larry, you, and boys. You didn't tell me about Jojo. I thought Jojo was right.
Look around, there's Look around, there's But you know,
Okay? It's just this piece I wanted. But I don't think leave it. I'll keep it together. Wendy.
Hey, somebody see what any lota in chat. Go on. Girl can help you.
Touching on? The oxen touch on? Are you?
No, me. What if 5 of them do? 5 of them there. Take the pin down from there and put it in the left. You have to break it up. You have to break it. Bring it back into one. Bring it back in the hand. Alright, take one and put it back in that hand. And the arm. This here. Raj Ramara. Tasya. Shri Vardeshi Panchmita. Krishnate Bindu. Naya Diyate. Tavu. Krishnata. Right, good. Get back in position till it. Leaving it out, right? So instead I go back on the hill. Let me move from here. First, yeah, the first come up with the putties one time. So lift and turn down.
Fresco, come. You're going to check that too? Alright. Should I come in? You're not coming for Johnson. No, I don't want to have my voice.
This is yours.
Very good.
Oleh back.
Om that. Safe journey, boy. Safe journey.
Yeah, don't take no rice.
Me I get on with the train.
Who had it?
Well,
Precious Santos.
Ready in front the water anyway.
Ready in front.
I don't know that.
I don't know. Now we're supposed to have all them things prepared.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Look, Pops and Abby.
Look up, sit down. Yeah.
Malabudi Vedya Devu Mohi Arahu Kaleshika Vajrati Hanuman Vajrati Hanuman Vajrati Hanuman Vajrati Hanuman Jaya Hanuman Jamal Guna Saga Jaya Kapisha Trimu